So we start off the video with this gorgeous hair transformation. Beautiful platinum and rose gold bob haircut. Absolutely stunning. Next up, we see someone with copper colored hair. Beautiful chic asymmetrical style bob with bangs. Great color and cut combination. And then we see a platinum pixie haircut. And then here we have a hair transformation. So she decided to go with a very popular blunt bob. Middle part down the center, gorgeous. Next up we have another pixie cut. This one features an undercut. Nice line parting there on the side. Followed by this faded pixie cut. A little bit of color there going at the top. Next up we have another pixie. Followed by a bob haircut. So she does start off as a brunette and decided to switch it up to blonde. Then we have this textured bob. Looks like she decided to get a curly perm. Her hair looks absolutely stunning. And then we have a styling of a bob haircut. So she does have curtain bangs with this one. She did a blowout, really creating a nice bit of volume in the crown. Beautiful. And then we have a bob with bangs. Followed by another bob haircut transformation. Beautiful classic bob, comes to a round jaw length, middle part down the center. Nice, simple, and effortless. And then we have another bob. This one is blonde and features some beautiful curls. Nice tassel texture with this one. And then we have a lob haircut. Some more beautiful curls. And she does have a few highlights mixed in. Looks like a really pretty chocolate color. And then we have another lob, beautiful bangs in the front. And then we have a pixie that features the split dye trend, blonde on one side, brunette on the other. Very edgy and modern style. Then we have someone who decided to switch it up with all black hue and some curls to their pixie. Followed by this bob haircut transformation. So I hope that you guys were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button. And if you're looking for even more hot hair ideas, you can check out this video next.